Is GMT, STEPN and Axie Infinity acts of Solana. GMT, the governance token of STEPN, a Solana-based play-to-earn project, tripled in value this week, jumping over 200% on rumors of a deal with a major sports brand. In the first quarter of 2022, the project made a significant profit, which it plans to utilize to burn tokens and develop its ecosystem. But before we get in the depth of GMT and STEPN, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's begin the video of what is STEPN without any further delay. STEPN is a Web3 lifestyle software with GameFi and SocialFi features built in. STEPN is based on one of the most important everyday activities for most people moving about. At the Solana Ignition Hackathon 2021, they were the first project to successfully bring to life a working move and earn concept, placing fourth out of 500+ projects. NFT in the form of sneakers are worn by the users. Users can earn game currency by walking, jogging, or running outside, which can be utilized in-game or cashed out for profit. STEPN's GameFi initiative intends to encourage millions of people to live a healthy lifestyle, combat climate change, and link the public to Web 3.0, all while relying on its SocialFi component to create a long-lasting platform that fosters user-generated Web 3.0 content. So that was all about STEPN. Now let's delve into their coin named GMT. GMT is STEPN's governance token, and it has a restricted supply of 6 billion tokens. Players can also purchase GMT to use in the STEPN app to gain access to STEPN services such as minting high-quality sneakers, upgrading high-quality gems, and participating in governance elections. And now if you guys are clear about what is STEPN and what is GMT, let's learn who is behind this Web3-based future-optimistic project. Find Satoshi Lab, a finance company based in Australia, invented STEPN. The team is a member of the DeFi Alliance gaming cohort and won the Solana Ignition Hackathon gaming track in 2021. And now is the time to get to the main point, which is to learn why this project is going parabolic, what is causing it to surge, and why people are so optimistic. As previously stated, GMT has increased by over 200% and by exactly 245% in the last 7 days, reaching a high of $3.07 on Friday and ranking among the top performing tokens this week. Its market capitalization also surpassed $1.5 billion. This week has seen a surge in interest in Solana-based projects, with SOL rallying to become the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. And that all happened because the project hinted at a larger partnership during an interview with Solana venture capital fund Solar Eco Fund earlier this week. The initiative hinted at a prospective cooperation with a large sports brand. When questioned if huge brands like Nike and Adidas constituted a danger to STEPN, the project claimed it will make a soon comment on the subject. On its official Twitter account, the initiative also shared an image with logos from numerous well-known sportswear labels, including Nike, Adidas, and ASICS. The project also reported a profit of $198,635 SOL, $26.8 million in the first quarter through NFT marketplace trading and license payments, and a large portion of this earnings will be used to repurchase and GMT on the secondary market, limiting supply and likely raising price. However, the project did not specify how many tokens it will burn. Furthermore, according to STEPN's white paper, 6 billion GMT tokens have been produced. 30% of them were given away as part of the app's governance participation. Every 3 years, the total quantity of GMT tokens will be halved, according to the project. All of this contributed to the coin's rise and gave investors and buyers reason to be optimistic. Finally, despite the fact that STEPN is still in public beta, it has already received over 100,000 downloads on the Google Play Store and has over 139,000 Twitter followers. The game is now based on Solana, but the company says it plans to expand its decentralized wallet in the future to include multi-chain asset deposits and withdrawals. The tokenomics concept used by STEPN is similar to that used by Axie Infinity, a play-to-earn game. GMT is analogous to AXS and STEPN. It has a limited quantity and must be used to level up and mint new pairs of footwear. While some have dubbed STEPN the new Axie Infinity, others are cautious, citing the enormous quantity of GMT tokens sold to institutional investors during the seed phase. However, you must exercise caution, as future token unlocks for early buyers may pose issues for those purchasing GMT tokens at present pricing. And if this idea has piqued your interest, I recommend that you wait a few days for GMT to cool down before boarding the boat, but only after conducting your own investigation. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about STEPN and their native token GMT, or if you think I have missed any news that should have been there, so, as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.